Okay, I'm at 17130 West Lundberg in Surprise. I'm going to give you a tour of this property, and as I walk into the property, want to let you know it's located in a really good location from a get to where you need to go standpoint. It's really close to the 303, it's close to Bell and the 303 as a matter of fact. Good shopping in this area too, right really close to where you're at. So, okay, taking a look at it now. In the front part of the house, this is as you walk in, you can see how big it is. There's the stairs right here. And then this front area, you can see how large it is from really both angles here. From this is the other angle, if you will. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen and take a look at this kitchen. Really good sized kitchen. A nice cabinetry, as you can see this. A nice lighting up there too as well. And then you can look at it from this angle. That looks good. And then so we have this new refrigerator, Frigidaire, and then a new Frigidaire microwave to kind of round this kitchen out. And I'm gonna go ahead and it does come with, the appliances do come with the property. We're not gonna take them anywhere. So let's take a look here at this part of the house. You can kind of see this from your island as you be preparing your food. And you look at all the nice fans here as we come through the house. And then here in this front area, it's all hardwood floors. You can see that, and pretty good light throughout as I do a 360 going outside. So, okay, and as I go outside here, you can see the scope of the backyard, how big this backyard is, and the fact that it doesn't back up to any house right here on the back side. This would be the north side of this property. So take a look at it from this angle, and we'll look at this nice covered area. It's pretty spacious, this covered area here. And then I'll cruise over to the side just to give you an idea here. That's paved going out towards the gate. I'll go back into the house so we can kind of see the rest of this front, or the lower half of the house. And as we go here towards the garage, I want to point out this one is the front area bathroom. And then you have a pretty good sized room in here. If you look here as we come in, it actually backs up here. So that's another room downstairs for you. And then we're going to go ahead and check out, the laundry area. And you have the washer dryer here, which does come with the property. Now let's take a look at the garage here. Okay, this is a nice 2-car garage. Wanted to show you from that angle. And we'll go back into the house and we'll go up the stairs. Okay, so I'm getting to the top of the stairs here. And as I get to the top of the stairs, now you can kind of look down, see the front of the lower half of the house. But more importantly, when you get up to the top here, you've got this loft area, and it's very sizable. Take a look at it from this angle too. Give you kind of a 180 of it there. And then we'll go to the south. And here in the south, there is a nice bedroom with good light coming in. You can see that light streaming in there. And then it's got a nice big closet. This bedroom, I'll call this bedroom A. You can see, you don't see this a lot. The closet actually has a window in there. Give you a little bit of light in there. So now we'll go through the loft again. And I said I was in bedroom A. Well, we're gonna call this one bedroom B. I'll show you bedroom B here. And I'll show it to you from that angle as well. And then we're gonna go towards the north part of the second floor. But before I do that, I want to show you, this is a common bathroom for the bedrooms. And you got dual sinks here, good cabinets there. And you've got a full shower and a tub here. Okay, we're gonna go north part of the house, which is the primary bedroom. Here is this primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is very, very expansive. You can see it from this angle. And I walked in from that angle, so you saw it from the one angle. And we'll see it from this angle too. You can see it has a nice fan. And this primary bathroom here, it is super big. It has this garden tub here, nice block glass, so it emits some unique light, if you will. And then we got another dual sink, cabinets, a shower here, and a pretty big toilet area. And then you've got a nice sized closet, which I'll walk through here to show you how nice size that closet is. And now we're gonna go back into the primary bedroom. And that concludes the tour here. Well, if you have any questions regarding this property, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. That's rpmphoenixvalley.com. If you'd like to apply, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. And I thank you for taking the tour with me and wish you a very pleasant day or evening wherever you may be.